Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to create and mint an SPL token on the Solana blockchain using TypeScript. We will be using the Solana Web3.js and SPL token libraries to accomplish this. By the end of this video, you will have your own token minted and ready to be used. Let's get started. First, we need to import the necessary libraries. The @solana/web3.js library allows us to interact with the Solana blockchain, while the @solana/SPL token library provides functions to create and manage SPL tokens. We also use the BS58 package to decode our private key from base 58 format. Next, we establish a connection to the Solana DevNet using cluster AP URL devnet, which allows us to interact with a test network instead of the main Solana blockchain. We set the confirmation level to confirmed to ensure transactions are processed before we proceed. Now, let's load our wallet. We use a private key stored in base 58 format and decode it using the BS58 library. Then, we create a wallet from the secret key using keyPair dot from secret key dot. This wallet will be used to create and manage our SPL token. Important note: never share your private key with anyone, as it gives full access to your wallet and funds. With the wallet ready, we create our SPL token using the createMint function. We set our wallet's public key as both the mint authority and freeze authority. The token is created with 9 decimal places, meaning that each token can be divided into up to 1 billion smaller units. After successfully creating the token, we log its mint address. After creating the token, we need an associated token account to store it. We use the getOrCreateAssociatedToken account function, which checks if an account for our wallet already exists. If not, it creates a new one. This account will be used to store and manage the newly minted tokens. Okay guys, now we will run the script by this command node, createToken.js, because we have already compiled our TypeScript file. Now we have run, and we will wait for the output. Okay guys, we have minted our SPL token. Now we will see this on SolScan. Here are SPL token details. In this tutorial, we learned how to connect to the Solana DevNet, load a wallet, create an SPL token, generate an associated token account, and mint tokens. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more blockchain tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.